What's up? This is your boy Alexander from Comedy Mix Inc. I have not made a tutorial video since like 2017 or 18 or whatever. So it's about time I bought them back. So today we're going to show you how to make the Roblox death sound, like how to change your Roblox death sound. You can do your own. So let's get started. So you must have Roblox player on your desktop icon or something. You right click on that and then press open file location. And then you go to content, sounds. I already did it, so like UUHHH, I already did that. If the title over there, if you have title on, if it says that, that means Roblox has it. That's the Roblox one. So if you want to make your own death sound, you can do that. That's fine. So you can do that in any audio editing software, which is Audacity. That's what I use frequently. So this is my Roblox death sound. The Minecraft hurt sound. So yeah, I like the Minecraft death sound, the hurt sound, because I don't find it overrated. So once you are done with your death sound, then make sure you save it somewhere. Make sure it's the precise title, UUHH. Now save it wherever you want. So I just save it in music because I don't know where to save. So you drag your custom death sound to sounds. It'll ask you, the destination has a file named .mp3. Make sure it's mp3. Make sure you click replace the file in the destination. Sorry about the Microsoft Defender thing. I'll take care of that. Once that is completed, you will hear that when you lose in a game in Roblox. You'll hear the death sound replaced. But if it says upgrading Roblox, you're gonna have to do that again. Anyways, hope this finds helpful. Any problems, comment. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.